Okay, in this one, so we will start the miscellaneous phonics section. Rishan, I will just give the hint in all the questions. Okay, you need to complete the questions on your own. So, miscellaneous exercise on chapter 11. First question is, if a parabolic reflector is 20 centimeter in diameter and 5 centimeter deep, find the focus. So in this question, there is a parabolic reflector. Okay, there is a reflector whose shape is like a parabola. So first of all, we will draw this parabola. This is the parabola. Okay, now they're saying if a parabolic reflector is 20 centimeter in diameter and 5 centimeter deep. Deep means this is your parabola. This one. Okay. So deep means its depth. This one. This is given. This is 5 centimeter and diameter is 20 centimeter. Okay. So this is called the diameter and this is 20 centimeter. Now, if this is 20 centimeter, then what is this? This will be 10 centimeter. Okay, Rishan? This is 10 centimeter and this is also 10 centimeter. Find the focus. You need to find the focus of this. So for this case, what is the equation? Y square is equal to 4ax. Okay, Rishan, you already know that the standard equation of the parabola is y square is equal to 4ax for this case. Now we need to find the focus. Okay, now this is 5 centimeter, this is 20. So this point, let this point be A. So this is the origin, 0, 0. So the distance of origin of this one, this is 5. So we can say the x coordinate is 5 and the y coordinate is 10. So this point A, 5, 10 lie on the parabola, hence it will satisfy equation. Let this be first. So this will satisfy the first equation. Okay, so you can put this point over here. So you will get 10 square is equal to 4 into 5 into x. You will get 100 is equal to 20x. So x, you can say this is equal to 100 by 20. Sorry, this is the in place of x, you need to put this 5. So you will get a is equal to 100 by 20. So a is equal to 5. Okay, a is 5. Now, what is the focus? Focus of a parabola, focus is a comma 0. So this is 5 comma 0. This is your answer. Okay. So Rishan, please note down this and confirm me once it is done. We will start the next question. And Krishna, please wait for some time. We will start the new chapter after completing the miscellaneous. Okay. Please wait for 25 to 30 minutes.
Okay, sir.
And you can please confirm me once it is done. Then we will start the next question. Rishan, please confirm me this is done. Shall we start next? So the second is next is an arch is in the form of a parabola with its axis vertical is 10-meter high and 5-meter wide at the base. Wide at the base. How wide? How wide is it? Is it 2 meter from the vertex of the parabola? From the vertex of the parabola. Okay. So I will just draw the figure of this, and Rishan, this you need to do on your own. Okay. Now, in this case, uh, the shape is parabola and the axis is vertical. Okay, Rishan, you already know that the axis vertical means shape will be like our shape will be the arch is 10-meter high. The height is 10 meter. So this complete one. This is 10 meter and 5 meter at the base. So the base is 5 meter. Okay, this means this one. This means this is 2.5 centimeter. So we can say that this point, this is what? This is origin. Its distance from the origin is 2.5 centimeter and the height is 10. Just give me a minute. So the question is 10-meter high and 5 meter. How what is 2 meter from? Okay, so this is 2.5 meter. Now, what we need to find? How wide is it 2 meter from the vertex of the parabola? This means from this vertex, if we go to 2 meter, what is the width? So we need to find this way. Okay. So what we can do, we can write this point as this is 2. So the height is 2 and this is x. I will just give the hint, Rishan. Okay. So you have this equation y square. In this case, the equation is x square is equal to 4ay. This point is given 2.5 comma 10. Then from this point 2.5 comma 10, you can find a. So let this point be a. Point a. Point is 2.5 comma 10. Let this be first. Point A lie on first. So it will satisfy equation 1. Okay, so this point will satisfy equation 1. Then you need to find the value of a. You need to put this point over here. You need to find the equation value of a. Then you will get the complete equation. Now the y coordinate is given, 2 is given. You need to find the x coordinate. Okay, so what you need to do, just find the equation of this parabola. Then for this point x comma 2, find the value of x. And from x, you will get the complete width. Value of x means you will get this distance. Multiply that with 2, you will get the complete distance. Rishan, this clear? Rishan, this clear? Okay, this is not possible for me to complete every question. It will take a complete class. I will just give you the hint and I hope you can solve it. Rishan, please let me know if you have completed this one. Rishan, confirm me, then I will start the next one. Okay, so Rishan, next we will start with third question. Okay, please check the question from the book. The cable of a uniformly loaded suspension bridge hang in the form of a parabola. So this means we have a bridge. Okay, this is the bridge, and this bridge is the cable of a uniformly loaded system hang in the form of parabola. Okay, this is a bridge, and this is the cable of the parabola. This one. Now, the cable of a uniformly loaded suspension bridge hang in the form of parabola. The roadway, which is horizontal and 100-meter long. This is your roadway, and this is 100-meter long. It's supported by vertical wires attached to the cable. So these are the vertical wires which are attached to the cable. Okay, from here to here, from here to here, like this. Here, have some more like that. The longest wire being 30 meter. Okay, so this is 30 meter, and the shortest being 6 meters. So this will be the shortest. Find the length of the supporting wire attached to the railway 80 meter from the middle. So if you go 18 meter from the middle, this is the center. So if you will go to 18 meter, you need to find length of a supporting wire. Okay, you need to find the length of supporting wire. So at this point, you need this length. What can we do? We can complete this. Okay. So we have this one. And we have done this. Now we will try this question. So normally for this shape, the equation is x squared is equal to 4ay, but this is not at the center. This is origin, but your parabola is not at the origin. That's why the equation will change into x minus h whole square is equal to 4a y minus k. Okay, so if the vertex is not at the origin, then we will take this as the equation of the parabola. Vishan, please reply me on the chat box if this is clear. Now, this is the new vertex of the parabola. So what is the vertex? The x coordinate is, this is again 0. And what is the y coordinate? This is 6. So we have this one, x minus 0 whole square is equal to 4a y minus 6. So this is the equation of the parabola. Now, this complete length is 100 meter. So we can say that this length, this is 50. This is 50 meter. Okay. And this is 30 meters. So we can say this is 50 comma 30. Let this be point A. Let this be 1. The point A lie on 1. Hence it will satisfy it. Hence it will satisfy equation 1. Okay. So what you need to do, please put this point 50 comma 30. Put this point 50 comma 30 in first, and if this will put this point in first, find the value of a. So from that you will get the complete equation. Now they're asking that 18 meter from this. So this point you can take this as 18 comma this we need to find. So take it as 5. So you need to find the value of 5. Okay, Rishan, please note down this and then try to solve this question. Okay, and Rishan, remaining question, please try to do that. If you have any doubt, then we will discuss in the class. Okay, so 5 questions are remaining. Please try to do that. And if you will have any doubt, we can discuss that in the next class. Please note down this and confirm me. Then we will start a new chapter. Ishan, this is done. Shall we start the next class? Ishan, shall we start the next topic? Ishan, this is done. Okay, so we will start the new chapter, permutation and combination. But Rishan, please complete the miscellaneous of NCERT of conic section. Permutation and combination. We have already completed the topics. So in case you will have any doubt in miscellaneous, we can discuss that in the next class. So next our topic is.
Sir, will you be rediscussing the past 2 chapters of term 2 later on?
Sorry, Krishna?
So will you be rediscussing the other 2 chapters, sir, which you have already completed?
Yes, we will do that later on.
Okay, sir.
So the next chapter is permutation and combination. Okay, and what definition of permutation and combination we will do later on. Before that, we will discuss a topic which is factorial. we will discuss this topic, which is factorial, and the factorial is the continued product of first and natural numbers called is called the n factorial and is denoted by and is denoted by and factorial or this. Okay, so next our topic is permutation and combination. So but before that, we will discuss the factorial. What is a factorial? The continued product of first and natural number is called the n factorial, and it is denoted by this sign. So what is actually a factorial? Suppose we have this 4 factorial, then this means 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 4 factorial means you will expand in this way 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, which will give you 24. You have 3 factorial, so this will be equal to 3 into 2 into 1. So this is equal to 6. Now, Krishna, can you tell me what is 5 factorial?
Yes, sir. 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1.
5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Very good. Now, what is 6 factorial?
6 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1.
Very good. Okay, so this is a factorial. Now, just you need to remember one point, that 0 factorial is not 0. This is 1. Okay, please remember this, that 0 factorial is equal to 1. So please note down this, confirm me, then we will try to do some questions on the basis of this topic. Rishan, please confirm me on the chat box once you note this. Sama, this is maths class, so you have joined for maths. Okay, Krishna, this done?
Yes, sir, it's done, sir.
Okay, very good. Next is, first is, now we will do these types of question. For example, 6 factorial by 4 factorial. Okay, so we have two methods to solve these types of question. First, we can expand this completely. For example, 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, and similarly, we will expand the denominator 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Now we can cancel out this complete one, and we can say the answer is 30. Okay, but this is a very lengthy method, so we will not use this. This is 6 factorial and 4 factorial. Okay, Krishna and Rishan, please tell me, this is 6 factorial. So in place of this part, 4, 3, 2, 1, can we write 4 factorial?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and similarly in the denominator, we already have the 4 factorial. So what we can do, we can cancel out this directly and we will write 30. So what is the method? Whichever the number is greater, we will expand this, but up to the lower number. We will expand this, but up to the lower number. Then we will cancel out the lower one and we will get the answer. Okay. So please try the second question. There is no need to note down the first question. Please try the second one. 20 factorial by 19 factorial. Please tell me the answer. Krishna and Rishan, can you tell me the answer of this?
Yes, it's 20.
It's 20, very. Rishan, please let me know if you have any doubt in this. So the answer is 20, very good. Next, try the third one. This is 6 factorial by 4 factorial into 2 factorial. Okay, please try this question and share your answer. Very good. Rishan, this is clear. And please try this. If 1 by 9 factorial plus 1 by 10 factorial, this is equal to x by 11 factorial, then find x and find x. Okay, please try this question. And please let me know if you have any doubt in this. Krishna, this is good. You have any doubt in this? Okay, 121. Great. Very good, Krishna. Rishan, do you have any doubt in this? Rishan, please. Okay. What answer you are getting, Rishan? Rishan, what the answer you are getting in this case? Okay, Krishna, very good. Then please try next question. And Rishan, please share your answer for this one. Okay, the answer is x is equal to 121. So if you have any doubt, then I can help you. Otherwise, please start the next one. Krishna, please try this. And if you have any doubt, then please let me know.
Sir, can you explain the last one, sir?
So, Krishna, in these types of question, what you need to do, the number whichever is greater in the factorial, you need to expand that. So in this one and this one, which is greater?
Sir, 2550 2000.
No. N plus 2 factorial and n factorial. Which one is greater?
N plus 2 factor.
N plus 2 factorial. Very good. Now, suppose we have the 6 factorial, then we write 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 and so on. So can we say that if this is 6 factorial, then first we will write 6. Next number will be 6 minus 1. Next number will be 6 minus 2. Next one will be 6 minus 3 and so on.
Yes, sir.
correct? Now this is n plus 2 factorial. So if we will expand this, then that will be equal to n plus 2, then n plus 2 minus 1, that means n plus 1, then n plus 1 minus 1, that means n factorial, and factorial is equal to 2550 into 2550 into n factorial. This clear, Krishna?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now this can be cancelled out, and finally you get n plus 2, n plus 1, and this is equal to 2550. Okay, now can you tell me how can you solve this equation now?
Yes, sir. We'll get a quadratic equation and then
Yeah,
we have to
great,
solve it.
great, great. So we have two methods for solving this. First is the quadratic equation. So please form a quadratic equation, solve it, and share your answer. And after that, I will show you a shortcut method to solve this. And this is done.
Yes, sir. Doing so. Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Okay, so Krishna, what's the answer? What's the answer, Krishna?
Yes, sir. It's minus 3 plus minus root negative 10191 by 2. I think.
Okay, so what's the final answer you're getting after solving this?
So I hadn't solved, sir.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay, we will try this. Open this. So you will get n square and plus 3n plus 2 is equal to 2550. Okay, and you will get this equation n square plus 3n minus 2548 is equal to 0. Okay, Krishna, that's correct.
Yes, sir.
Okay. After this, I will do over here. Okay. Next is we have this equation: n squared plus 3n minus 2548 is equal to 0. 2548 plus 21274 2637 791 and 13. Okay, so this is 2478. This can be written as n squared plus 52n minus 49 minus 2548 is equal to 0. So this is n plus 52. Take common minus 49. You will get n plus 52 is equal to 0. From this, you will get n minus 49 and you will get n plus 52 is equal to 0. Okay. So from this, you will get either n is equal to 49 or n is equal to minus 50. Whether this is correct or this is correct, sorry, you get two values, but n can't be negative. So our answer will be n is equal to 49. So in the bracket, you will write n can't be negative. Okay, Krishna, this clear?
Yes, sir. It's clear.
Okay. So this is our answer, n is equal to 49. So this is our first method. So what is the next method? Next method is applicable for these types of questions only. So this is n plus 2, n plus 1, and this is equal to 2550. This is our second method. Second method. Okay. Don't use this method for other quadratic equations. That is applicable for this only. So now this means we are multiplying two number and we are getting 2550. So what we can do, we can write 2550 plus 5510 plus 5102 plus 251. Okay, then we'll take a 51 only. So we need two numbers here whose product is 2550. So if you will multiply this one, 5525 into 2, so this will give us 50. And plus 2 and plus 1 is equal to, okay, this is equal to 50, 50 into 51. These are the two numbers. Okay, so here we have a two number which are in multiplication and we are getting 2550. So now what we can do, this is 50 into 51. This is n plus 2 into n plus 1. So we need to break this number like this, that in one number we will get a plus 1 and in next number we will get a 2. So can you tell me what can I write over here? Krishna.
So it's 200.
This is 15. Place of 50. I want to write plus 1. So can you tell me what can I write over here?
So 49.
49. Very good. In place of this, what can I write?
48. Sir.
Again 49.
49. Oh yeah, 49. Sorry.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now please compare this one. This is n plus 2 into n plus 1. This is equal to 49 n plus 1 into 49 n plus 2. So if we will compare this one, then n we will get this is equal to 49. Okay, because plus 2 here, plus 2 here, plus 1 here, plus 1 here. So what is this n? N is 49. This clear, Krishna?
Yes, sir. It's clear.
Okay, very good. Stefan, you are again late. 55 minutes late. What's the reason? Krishna, please note down this and confirm me. Then we will start a new. Stefan, what is the reason you are 55 minutes late? If you wish, you can drop from the class. I will talk to your parents. So when in most of the classes, you are normally late. Do you have completed the homework, Safan?
Done, sir.
Okay, Krishna, very good. So Krishna, we will. Why, Safan? Krishna, please try to do this question. Find the value. Safan, what's the reason? Safan, in this way, you will not be able to complete your sleep. You are not doing the homework. You're not coming on time. What's the reason? And please don't reply me on the chat box. Please unmute yourself and tell me the reason why you didn't do the homework. Krishna, if you have any doubt in this, please let me know.
Okay, sir. So I have one doubt, sir. Can we use the previous method, like what you have said in this?
Yes, we can.
So the previous method which you have told.
Yes,
Uh,
yes, you can. You can use. Okay. First of all, please remove this factorial so you already know how you need to expand this,
yes, sir.
and then use that method. Okay, Krishna, this is good. N is equal to 3. Very good, Krishna. Great. Any doubt, Krishna, till now?
No, sir.
Okay, okay. Good. Now we have done the factorial part. Now we will do the permutation. Permutation. Okay. Prashant, please reply me on the chat box if I'm audible. So permutation means arrangement. Okay, permutation means arrangement. Suppose we have two alphabets, A and B. So with the help of these two alphabets, how many words can we form? We can write AB and we can write BA. So you will get a question like this, that these are three alphabets, and you need to make a word by these alphabets. So please find how many words can be formed. So this is clear, Krishna. In this case, only two words will be formed.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Rishan, this is clear. Next, we have three alphabets. So from these three alphabets, Krishna and Rishan, please tell me how many words can be formed, with or without meaning. And Safan, I will talk to your parents. So we will start like this. Krishna and Rishan, please check here. We will write A, okay, and then we will write remaining alphabets. Again, we will keep A as fixed. We will interchange these. Then we will write B. We will write AC. Then we will write B. We will write CA. Then we will write C. We will write AB. Then we will write C. We will write B. So Krishna and Rishan, this is clear. Only these words can be formed by these three alphabets.
Yes, sir.
So total are 6. So these types of question we will cover in the permutation. Alphabet will be given, digits will be given, and we need to make a number. Okay. So we'll find a method to solve these types of questions. So if you need to make a word, for example, we will again take this example. If you need to make a word by using 3 alphabets, then what you will do, you just write 3 boxes. And this box have 3 options, A, B, or C. You can place any of the alphabet over here. So we will write 3. And now suppose if we have used A, then Krishna and Safan, can you tell me the second box have how many options?
2, sir.
2. Okay. Now suppose we have used 3 C. Then how many options are there with the third one?
1, sir.
1. Now multiply all these. So 3 into 2 into 1 is 6. And if you will check this is 6. Okay, Krishna?
Yes, sir.
Rishan, this clear? So this is the method. Now suppose if we will take this A, B, C, and D, we will make a word with the help of 4 alphabets. Okay, there's no need to note down this. Please check this. Now, Krishna, can you tell me how many options this first box has?
4, sir.
4. Suppose we have used this one. Next one.
3, sir.
3. Suppose we have used this. Next one.
2.
2. Next one.
1, sir.
1. So multiply all these. So this is equal to 24. So how many words can be formed by using these alphabets? 24. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So just write down the heading, write the arrangement, that permutation means arrangement, okay? And if you wish, you can note any of the example and please confirm me, then we will start a question. Krishna and Ishan, this is done.
Just 1 second, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay. Rishan, this is done. So we will try this question. Now, what is mean by repetition? If we will take a previous example, okay. In this one, suppose we have again 3 alphabets. We need to make a word from this. If we will say that repetition is not allowed, then this means if we have used A over here, then we can't use again A. If we will say that repetition is not allowed, then if we have used A over here, we can't use it. That's why we will say that this block have 3 options. We have used 1, next have 2 options, next have 1 option. Now, what if we will say that repetition is allowed? Then Krishna, can you tell me how many options first box have?
3, sir.
Very good. Next one.
3 again.
Very good. Next one.
3, sir.
Very good. So this is equal to 27. Okay, and this is equal to 6. So when repetition is not allowed, we will use this concept. When repetition is allowed, we will use this one. This clear, Krishna?
Yes, sir.
Okay, excellent. Rishan, this clear? Rishan, please reply. This clear? Okay, and please try this question and share your answer. Krishna, both part is done. Okay, excellent. This is correct. Rishan, this is done. Rishan, please let me know if you have any doubt in this question. Okay, so what answer you are getting, Rishan? Rishan, please share your answer. Okay, let me know what is your doubt. Rishan, I will help you. Just give me a minute. How many numbers are there and there between 100 and 1000 and with all the digits and with all the digits are distinct. Or in the meantime, Krishna, please try this question and let me know if you have any doubt in this one. Okay, so Rishan, in this question, find the number of 4 letters word with or without meaning which can be formed out of the letter of the word rose. So we need to form a word with a 4 letters. This is the first time. 1, 2, 3. We have then these alphabets, rose. So Rishan, can you tell me that this first block, we need to put the alphabets in these blocks. So can you tell me in the first block, how many options do you have? No, you have 4 options. R, O, S, E. You can use any of the alphabet. So you have 4 options. Okay. And suppose if you have chosen R over here, then can you tell me the next box have how many options? And can you tell me the next box have how many options? 3. Very good. Next block, 2. Next one, 1. So total will be 4, 3, 12 to 24. Okay. The first case was the repetition of the letter is not allowed. So the letters are not getting repeated. That's why we start decreasing the number one by one. Vishant, this is clear. Do you have any doubt in this? Okay, very good. Krishna 6. No, Krishna, that's not correct. I will explain you this one. Okay. Now the second one. Now the second they are saying, Rishant, that the repetition is allowed. So what you will do, you will write rows. And Rishant, can you tell me in the first box, how many options do you have? 5? No, again 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this have 4 options. Okay, repetition is allowed. You can again use the same alphabet. So Rishant, can you tell me in the next box how many options do we have? 4. Very good. Next one. Very good. Next one. Okay, great. So you need to multiply all these. So this will give you 256. Rishant, this is clear? Okay, so in the end, you need to write the number of 4-letter words are 256. Here you need to write number of letters are 24. Okay, so Rishan, please note down this and then start the next question. Okay, Krishna, how you're getting a 6? How many numbers are there between 100 and 1000 in which all the digits are distinct? So Krishna, first, can you tell me how many how many digit number is this? 504. Let me check. No, this is like small. No, there's a mistake in this. Krishna, please again check, and I will explain to you and Ishan this question. Okay, Rishan, then we will start this question. Krishna, can 720? No, Krishna, I'm not correct. Krishna, can you tell me how many digits do you have? Do we have? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, these digits we have, and how many digit number is this? Krishna,
It's 10, sir.
no? How many numbers are there between 100 and 1000? So this
Oh,
should be
three digits.
3-digit number. Very good. This is ones place, this is tens place, and this is hundred place. Okay. Suppose we need to write a 3-digit number. So can we write this? This is correct or not, Krishna?
No, sir.
No. So this means at this place we can't use 0. Otherwise, this become a 2-digit number. So, and all the digits should be distinct. So Krishna, can you tell me this is a question of repetition allowed or repetition not allowed?
Sir, it is repetition not allowed, sir.
Not allowed. Very good. Because the digit should be distinct. So can you tell me that at this place, how many options do we have?
9, sir.
9. Very good. Suppose we have used this one. At this place, how many options we have?
8, sir.
By 8. Please count this complete.
Oh, no. Oh, sir. 9, 9 again.
This 9. Suppose we have used this one. Next, this
8, sir.
8. Just multiply this. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Rishan, this is clear. Rishan, this clear. Okay, very good. Rishan, please note down this. And both of you, please confirm me. Then we will start next question. Shall we start next?
Yes, sir. We can.
Okay. Rishan, shall we start next? Okay. Please try this question. How many numbers are there? How many numbers are there between 100 and 1000? Between 100 and 1000. It's that every digit is either 2 or 9. Either 2 or 9. Okay. Please try this. And do you have any doubt in this? Answer is 8. Okay, very good. This is correct. Great. Rishan, this completed. Rishan, this is done. So Krishna, please try this. In the meantime, Rishan, we will take it out. So Rishan, this should be a 3-digit number, okay? Because the number is between 100 and 1000. So the number which is between 100 and 1000 should be of 3 digits. Now they're saying that digit should be 219. 219. So Rishan, can you tell me in the first place at this place how many options we have? Rishan? 2. Very good. At the next place, Rishan, how many options? 2. Very good. Next one. Again 2. Okay. So total numbers 2, 2, 2. This is 8. Rishan, this clear? Okay, very good. Then Krishan, please try the next one. And Krishna, if you have completed this, then please share your answer. No, Krishna, 100 is not correct. Okay, please take this. How many numbers are there between 100 and 1000? Okay, so again, this is a 3-digit number. Krishan, please check here. This is a 3-digit number. The units, tens, and 100 places. They're saying that 7 is in the unit place. So here we need a 7. How many numbers are there between 100,000? So we have these digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Now, Krishna, can you tell me at the unit place how many options do we have?
So one option.
One option, and that is
7.
1.
Oh yes, yes.
That is 7. Very good. One option. Okay. Here, can you tell me repetition is allowed or not?
Sir,
Repetition
not
is allowed.
sir, allowed. Sir.
Allowed. Very good. Can you tell me at this place how many options we have?
Sir, 10.
Can we use 0 here?
No, sir, we can't.
No.
So it's 9.
It's 9. How many options here?
10, sir.
10. Multiply this. 90. Rishan, this clear? Rishan, this clear? Okay, Krishna, please note down this. Then we will try next question. And Rishan, if you have any doubt, okay, Rishan, good. So then please try next question. How many After this, please try this question. Krishna, this time.
Yes, sir. I think it's 25.
Is 25 enough? Okay. Repetition is allowed or not?
So repetition is allowed.
Okay, we'll take this. So this is a 3-digit number. Okay? 3-digit number. Now they're saying that more than 600 can be formed. So at this place, how many choices we have?
So 1.
Which one?
It's 6, sir.
6. Can't we select 7 here?
So because more than 600.
Yeah.
Oh yes. Okay. Okay, sir. Go.
We have 2 choices. So here we have 2 choices. Here.
So, but they didn't say which limit, right, sir? More than.
They're saying how many 3-digit numbers more than 600. So more than 600 means at this place, this is units, tens, and 100 place. So at the 100, we can have 6 or we can have 7. Because the number which start from 7, that is also greater than 600.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir. Got it.
Okay. Then at the tens place, how many options do you have?
5, sir.
Very good. At unit place?
Again 5, sir.
Again 5. Very good. So multiply these, we'll get the answer. Okay. So the answer is 50. Please try this. How many numbers between 3000 and 4000 can be found from the digits 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. No digit being repeated in any number. Okay. Please try the question and share your answer.
Yes, sir. I think it's 60.
Correct. Very good. Okay, so Krishna, today we will do only these topics, okay? And tomorrow we will continue our class. So please note down the homework. Just give me a minute. Krishna, you need to complete the NCERT exercise 7.1, 7.2. Then you need to complete the assignment. Assignment, Nikosar will share with you.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, welcome.